Hello world. Today I would like to show you how to use the text to image ratio app because as all good marketers know, the ideal text to image ratio is like 1 to 19 to 1 to 4. So I made an app that you can plug in any picture and it'll show you how to or to calculate it for you. So to find any app, you can go to the search bar up here and you'll click and type in the name. So I want the text image ratio app. And then I'm going to upload this picture that it generated for an ad I made. And it'll take a minute for it to generate the calculation, but it usually doesn't take that long. But anyhow, it's going to give us not only the calculate, well, there it does a better job than me. So the ratio was 2 to 5, so that means 40%. So it's a little high. Um, you might get charged a little more for this picture if you choose to advertise it, but it says the image consists of a wide variety of visual elements with an appreciable amount of text depicting words like affiliate links, SEO, keywords, etc. The text appears amongst various icons, illustrations, and background gradients. I estimated that about 2/7 of the total space is occupied by text. Okay, well, that's actually an even better ratio than 2 out of 5. So, anyway, that's how it works. Thank you for watching today, and y'all have a great day.